What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're back up at Winter Park for a spring ski day. I think the high for today is actually supposed to be like 51 degrees, so it's gonna be really warm. So we're basically down to our bottom layers, and all the vents are wide open right now. Oh yeah, another funny thing that happened today. I totally forgot my socks at the house, so we're gonna see just how comfortable these boots actually are. Right now they're not feeling too bad, but we'll see as the day goes on how comfortable I'm actually gonna be. But like I said, it's a beautiful spring day here at Winter Park. So let's go enjoy it. Let's go ski. So we just got done doing a few runs on the front side of Mary Jane's here at Winter Park, and we're actually now on the Panoramic Lift going to the top here, and plan to do a few runs up here. A lot of the runs today are definitely a little iced over as of right now. Like I said, it's supposed to be a really warm day, so hopefully everything softens up with the sun. But right now it's making it a little difficult to like go through trees just because there's so much ice out here. Whoa! But we're gonna plan to go on the top here, do a couple turns on Panoramic, and let's see what the snow's like on this side. Alright everybody, so now that we did a couple runs off of Panoramic, I told the lady that I actually want to do this lift where you go off of Panoramic and actually take a catwalk all the way to the, I can't remember if it's the Eagle Lift or like the Eagle Wind Lift. There's a bunch of really good runs underneath there that I haven't been to a lot this year except for like last weekend, but it's a pretty fun area. Not a lot of people go over there. It's on the northwest side of the resort, on the Mary Jane side, and it's just north of the Cirque. You don't get too many crowds as far as like lift line goes, so we're gonna check that out and see how the snow is. So we're going all the way down there. Keep your speed. There's nobody here. Okay guys, so we're about to wrap up the rest of our day. We came down Panorama and came back up Sunnyside Express. And at the top of that lift, there's this place called, what the hell is this place called? There's this place called the Lunch Box Café that we're currently at. We're just gonna kind of hang out here for a while, have a couple beers, maybe a couple bars, and just enjoy the view. Like I said, it was a warm day today, beautiful out, beautiful spring skiing day. I thought it was gonna make for a lot more like slushy conditions, but it was so icy throughout the day and it hasn't really softened up at all, even though the sun has been really high today. But it's still fun to come out here and ski, especially during spring season. The season's about to wrap up pretty soon, but we're still gonna get a couple more weeks of skiing out. And then I think in the future, or the near future, me and the lady are also gonna start hiking a couple 14ers and attempting to ski down them. So that should be fun. But otherwise, today was a good day. But I just want to thank you guys so much again for watching. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, consider subscribing to the channel. But I just want to thank you guys again so much for watching, and have a great rest of your day. Just pulling. Just pulling. Fucking hate catwalks. Yeah.